Hey guys, so today I'm back on Movie Star Planet and I'm gonna go on Roblox probably for maybe not my next video but in the future. I'm gonna be on Roblox as well. And what we're gonna do, kindly some people gave us gifts from the last mail time and they felt. So thank you so much. We'll start from here. From Choka G. She had, she got my wish list. Oh, phew. I don't have that, so that's good. Thanks. Thank you so much. Next time she does a meal time, I think she has a calendar. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. That is so cute. I'm gonna give her 1,000 gifts. Okay, whoever gives me gifts and they have YouTube themselves, I'm literally going to give them 1,000 gifts if they have meal time. So yeah. I'm thinking of doing the typing ones, but my voice is kind of easier instead of the ones that you type. I don't know why. Thank you so much, guys. So what we're gonna do is literally, I don't know why, but I love doing this. So I'm gonna stay on my account in case people message me and stuff, then I'm gonna. What the heck? Is this account lagging or something? Because I did that 2 minutes ago. Never mind. Okay, I'm gonna go to the cafe. I don't know what the hell, I just like doing this. Go to the beach, seriously. Okay, if you saw someone in a cafe like that, can anyone else do the friend request, please? I'm so nice, aren't I? How are you? Just use you, because that's a bit old now. Okay. Oh my gosh, she looks like the moderator. No, not one of the MSP staff accounts. Oh, okay. Why is he not French? Oh my god. UK Ting. What the hell? Okay, no mind. We're going to go to Horror Cafe. There's no freaking Horror Cafe. Let's go to Unicorn Cafe. But there's not a hacker in there. If there's actually a hacker, they're so freaking fake. She's just she's probably not a hacker. Oh. Okay. This girl has no feelings. Good for you, honey. Okay, let's see her best friend. Okay, what the hell? Okay. She was not a hacker. Because of rare trade, and then this girl has no feelings. She's probably goth or something. Or she is just the devil. Probably not, that would be just too weird. But yay, one VIP finally. 5 autos in a day for me because I'm not VIP. What? Mint Packer Hunter. I bet you can use a hacker now. I don't know why they censored hacker. MSP. Seriously. Ugh, okay. Oh, okay, whatever. Woo. Okay, what? Look, when I don't know a spelling, because I'm a horrible speller, I just go on Wikipedia and like Google and search spelling, and then they say, "Did you mean spellings?" I'm like, yes. What the hell am I doing? Okay, I just want to say I updated my room, so go ahead and check it out, man. I hate my username. I just really want to kill it. Except you can't kill. I look like a goat. Oh my god, I look so. Okay, never mind. Let's go in my house. My whole room in real life is like pastel pink, like baby pink and white. And I changed it on Movie Star Planet as well to pastel pink and baby white. Baby! Okay. So this is the beautiful dining room. And then you go up these stairs and you suddenly die. That's why it's called the dining room. Test on my boat now. I might get a dog. I don't know. Baby. That was so freaking random. Okay. So I've got this beautiful thing here. I don't know what the hell it is. And then I've got this bench with bird poop on it, because obviously it's the sun, it's not snowing, and bird poop is flying out from the clouds, and there's some here, so yeah. And then someone put hydrochloric acid in here, so that's why it's bubbling. And we go to the kitchen. This bunny puts poison in the food, so yeah, that's why that suspicious. I can't zoom into that ugly thingy. Oh, it's actually so cute. I regret I said that. You're so cute. Oh, why the heck is it vibrating? They put Then we go to my party room. It's just a freaking room. Why do they even have a party room? Do you sleep in the garden? Seriously. Okay. Now this is my room, and then I've got my kitchen and then the garden. Yeah, so go check it out. I'm gonna love my own room because I'm such an idiot. Yeah. Okay. And what the hell? I thought that was private. It's not private. I'm so sad right now. Oh, for you. GG. And I'm making a new movie soon. Yay. No hackers in the room, man. Sorry for the background noise. That's really bad. Hey, you stole my pet's name. Tessa One Sparkling. So rude. Oh my god. Okay. So, oh, it's her again. Beautiful Horizon 2. Okay, guys. Oh, VIP friend with me. I want to be a celeb, man. Okay. I'll use it for Halloween. What? 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 I don't get what she's saying. Halloween's over, kid. What are you saying? Okay, I'm gonna stop it here. There's actually no hackers in here. So thank you so much, hackers, for making me end my screen recording. So rude. Oh my gosh. Okay, bye guys.